sometimes having a sister can be fun at times, but at other times, it's kind of silly. You try having two of them. You don't know what it's like to live with her. But really, don't. I said get out of our faces. They're so strange. I know this. I live with them. They are their father's daughters. I'm pretty sure I'm like my mom. But, okay. That wasn't me. Yes, it was. I do not know how they do this. I said it wasn't.